I'll have a card. I'm not saying this one. And then I will ask you structures from this with little pins, probably is how I'm thinking I'm going to do it. So this is a good one to start off with, and then we can try other ones. So let's use
This is the, no, that's correct. Left, area, and then this is the circle.
this side here. Okay? So which is the right and left ventricle?
Right.
Okay,
left
and look,
and that's the right.
look at the thickness to tell you here, and I'm going to show you others just so that you remember that. And then the slits in here, smaller than left, so your actual ventricles. So what is this flap here?
Is that the oh my god,
Mitral.
the bicuspid
Mitral.
valve?
The mitral or bicuspid.
Okay.
And then these strings.
Chordae tendineae.
Okay, so the strings are your chordae tendineae, and then what's anchoring it?
The papillary.
Papillary muscles. Okay, so then what is this here?
Is that the
Is that
aorta?
the
Aorta, yeah, because it's leaving from the left ventricle. And so what are these flaps?
Those are the aortic semilunar valves.
Yes. And then what would this be over here?
Right? Is it the pectinate or the auricle thing that you're talking
Okay, let's use
It's like
this
hard
side.
looking at it the
Yeah.
opposite way.
It is. Okay, so in here, what is this chamber called?
The atrium.
This is the, yes, so this would be
So
your
is that the right side or is that the left side?
left. So the
side?
left atrium is, if you look in there, can you see this cauliflower looking stuff?
Is that the pectinate
That's the
muscle?
pectinate muscles. And this right here, these flaps, that's your auricle.
Do we have to know those because those are on the study guide?
Can you show the
I, s-
pectinate
I
one more
want,
time?
I meant them to be on there.
Can you show the pectinate one more time?
Yeah, can you see it?
I think so.
It's the
I hope so.
cauliflower.
Yeah, that cauliflower. Can you see it?
This right there?
Like
Yeah.
the white.
Yeah,
right,
see
that
these
white
little
thing.
ridges in here?
I can see that now. So that's only in the right,
The right and the left, but it's more pronounced in the left.
and it's in the atrium.
Yeah, in the atrium only. And then in the, you can't really see it in this one, but if you open there, can you see the cauliflower-like stuff in the ventricles? That's called your carne tuberculae.
Do we need to know that? I know
No,
it's
that
not.
one you don't need to
I was
know.
like, I've never heard of
Scratch
that.
Okay, no, but I'm just letting you know, because it's different muscles in both.
Okay.
And then, what would this be?
What?
That's the.
Is that the pulmonary trunk?
Pulmonary trunk, yeah.
Wait, which one's the pulmonary trunk? The one that branches off of the aorta?
Yeah,
That
so
little small
here,
one? Okay.
uh-huh. So this would be, this is nice, because
So
I
the
can
big
show
one's
you
the aorta,
the
and the little
aorta.
one's the pulmonary trunk.
And the
Okay.
pulmonary valve is really hard to see. If you can see the semilunar, you're probably not going to see the pulmonary because they're at different planes. So if you cut this plane, you're not going to be able to see the other one.
Would you ask something that's like very straightforward on this heart, or would you ask something like?
Dig
you were
deep in.
saying-
What is that?
Do you know what I mean? Like you would
Depends
say.
on how well you guys clean up when you leave. If it's cleaned up well, I'll probably be
scrub the
nice.
room.
Yeah.
If it's
Hands and knees.
um
Well, it probably could
I
be something we
probably-
have to dig for
I-
because not all of us are going to be wearing gloves to
yeah,
like touch
I
it.
would probably ask a couple structures that are easy and a couple that are more difficult, but you should be able to view them and see the pins and not have to touch. But I will have gloves here so that you can get in and move around. But you should be able to ID.
Like you're going to ask them that because there's all those heart models over there
Yeah.
too, and there's only we
I'll,
still have a bunch
I'll
of like,
ask
blood
up to
vessels.
70 questions, but
Wait,
I
I thought
may.
they were 50.
But I'm.
Last semester.
But my test is 70, but I want to cut it down to 50. if
Are
I
we gonna
have
throw out
time to
20
cut
questions you don't do well
I'm
then?
yeah, I'm hoping to cut it down, but it may not get cut down.
Because
so I don't
in
know.
the grade book it says like out of 50 for each lab.
Oh yeah, even if it is
Your
in
50
the,
best ones.
no.
Well, if we're doing 70, wouldn't it be the 50
Well,
best?
I just do 70 divided, you
Like
know,
the percentage.
the percentage, and then from that calculate how many points it is.
Out of 50, that would need to be.
I think we covered the main things here.
So you
The-
can't see, you can only see the aortic semilunar valve. It's really difficult to see the pulmonary semilunar
Yeah.
valve. Okay.
I can tell you right now, I wouldn't be asking you a pulmonary valve because I haven't seen one on any of these yet.
Okay.
But I know from other models, your coronary vessels and these vessels, I'll probably ask you from a model.
Okay.
But this is nice for chambers, for structures.
Would you ask like the
and-
layers on
Oh yeah,
Can you do
this would be
those now?
nice for
Yeah,
layers.
can you
Yeah,
go
so
to
what,
layers?
if like
Oh,
the
you know what's
epicardium
also
would be
fair
on the
game?
outside.
Ooh, what else is fair
What is that?
So the
Oh,
fibrous
I
pericardium.
did that, didn't I?
You
Wasn't that one
did.
mine?
You did a nice job.
Thanks.
So, what's this outer layer called?
The
Fibrous
fibrous
pericardium.
pericardium.
And what's this?
Is that the parietal pericardium?
And then
Would that be the visceral
Visceral.
yeah.
pericardium?
And then
Or
what's
the
that
epicardium.
space
They're
between the
both,
two?
yeah.
Pericardial cavity.
Pericardial space. The
Oh.
pericardial cavity is the whole hole that holds the heart. And so, this. Let's now say layers of the heart. What if?
Epicardium. Myocardium. And
Oh.
Yeah. So those are all
Where did you point to where the endo? Just like
the
Endo is
inside.
just
The inside.
right there. Okay.
Can you see how it's kind of glossy? And that slick. It's slick so that the red blood cells just glide by.
Just like that.
Okay. I think we're good.
Are you good?
I
All right.
think so.
Pray for me.